Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to put on stick-ons by yourself. So I'm going to use 401 glue. I have two files, the buffer and the file. Then I have the nails, and those are the ones that fit on my nails. So before you start even gluing them on, you'll have to test if they do fit. So I start by filing my nails as usual. You have to file your nails. So guys, the funniest part is that it was really hard my left hand to file the right one. Guys, it was really hard. It took me time and I was like, when will I finish with these? Then just look how fast I'm going when the right hand is filing. Damn, guys, look. And this thing is hard, but I had to do it for you guys. Please, if you have not subscribed, please guys, subscribe. And even you can share, by the way. You can share this video to your friends, to anyone who you think will be in need of it. And by that, guys, don't forget to file on top of your nails to remove the dead nail. That top layer. I can just advise you to do that so that the glue will last. The nail, okay, let me just say the stick-on will last longer. And by that, guys, I do like this glue. This 401, whoa, and it's a long lasting. Whoa, the first time I used it, I did fall in love with it, and since then, that's it. That is the glue to use. You'll just have to use a 1 drop of 401 glue, then place the stick-on your nail. Then you'll have to hold it for about 30 seconds. For about 30 seconds. And guys, I'm done with the other hand, as you can see. Now I'm going to trim them. Yeah, because today I didn't plan to rock a long nail. Yeah, I decided to do these short ones. Yeah. And guys, when trimming them, be careful. Hey, because if you trim and if you trim them, if you cut them too short and you wanted a bit longer, my friend, the for one glue doesn't come out easily. You'll have to feel pain for it to come out. So what I can tell you is be careful when you are trimming them, so that you won't make a mistake and that mistake won't hurt you. Yeah, I don't, what am I saying? Yeah, so that you won't make a mistake, guys. So just be careful. So after trimming them, I'll file them so that it will be smooth. Yeah, just file them. And as I said earlier, filing a right hand is hard because our left hand is super weak. I don't know why mine. Okay, that happens to everyone. Yeah, so you'll have just to file them. Then don't forget to file on top of the stick-on. Yeah, so that they can be much lighter. Yeah, it's light. It's light, but when you have filed the top of stick-on, it will be much lighter, because no one in this world want to feel that like there is something on their nail. Yeah, so I can just advise you, file the top of stick-on. Yeah. Then don't forget to buff. The reason why I'm telling you to buff, so that it can be smooth, because all of us knows when you file the top of your nail, it will be rough. Yeah, so when you buff it, automatically it will be smooth. Yeah. Guys, I'm done with the filing and buffing. Yeah, look how amazing they are. Oh my god, I don't know what to say, guys. Now I'll go in with a colorless first, then after colorless we'll follow up all those colors. Yeah, you if you don't know, I'm telling you. Yeah, after applying the colorless, you're free to apply any color you want. Yeah.